If you have dark skin, there is a possibility that you also have discoloration on your skin. Just because you're a dark skin person doesn't mean you don't have discoloration on your skin, or you don't have dark areas or dark spots. Hey loves, welcome. My name is Damla. In today's video I have for you guys 6 body washes you should use in 2025. This set of body washes will definitely help to clear hyperpigmentation, help to brighten your skin, help to hydrate your skin, leaving your skin looking so nourished. Stick around and do not go anywhere. The first one on my list today is the Advanced Korean Skin Bright Gel Body Wash. This particular one has papaya and mulberry. Papaya basically is an exfoliant which helps to remove dead skin cells. It helps to cleanse the skin, leaving the skin looking so brightened. It helps to remove hyperpigmentation. So let me give you an example. If you have like a burn on your hand and you have like a scar from that burn, like a dark scar, you know, this darky form on your skin, you guys get what I'm trying to say. This particular papaya will help to clear that dark area on your skin. It removes discoloration. It helps to give you this fairness on your skin. Your skin will be looking like papaya. I personally love papaya a lot. If you have been following my channel, you know that I'm a very great fan of papaya. So that is to say that this particular body wash is a go for me, like a go-to for me. Now it has mulberry. What does mulberry do to the skin? Mulberry definitely helps to clear hyperpigmentation. We're going for something that will help to clear hyperpigmentation. To clear your acne scars, to clear your discoloration, leaving your skin looking so nourished, so brightened, and it will also go a long way. You will enjoy your time in the shower when you use this particular body wash, and the aftermath of it is really nice. Like it's 100%, like giving your skin, taking your skin from a 0 to 100. So this particular body wash is really good. That is my point. So you can go for it, or you go for the next one. Next one on my list today, guys, is the Nivea Body Wash that I use, the one that says wild berry. I'm currently on this one. I'm on second bottle, and trust me guys, I am loving it to the stupor. Oh my days, like this particular body wash definitely brightens the skin. Don't let anybody lie to you. It will brighten your skin. Oh my god. It will, by the way, this video is for both dark skin, light skin, caramel skin, fair skin, any skin color and any skin type is supposed to be watching this particular video. This video is for everybody. All right, so this Nivea body wash, I've been using it since last year, and it tends to like give me this baby look on my hand. People tell me my hands look like a baby hand. It brightens my hand to the fullest. Like if you want to know what is making my hand look like this, guys, take a look at me now. Just know that it is a Nivea body wash that is giving me that. I'm giving you guys OT right now. I'm giving you guys hints. So if you want to go for it because it will definitely help to brighten your skin and you will enjoy your time in the shower. And I love the fact that the color of this particular bottle is purple. It's so beautiful. Like it gives this unique color. Like it's so beautiful. Does it lather quite well? It lathers quite well. Like it lathers very well. Just that it might not moisturize your skin like the next body wash I'm about to talk about, and that is the one and only Dove Body Wash. Dove in general are doing magical work. Like they are so good when it comes to moisturizing. I feel like that's actually their core values. Like they want to make sure that all their products moisturize the skin, not just their body lotion or their body cream, their bar soap and their body wash. So now the particular one I am talking about is the one that says glowing ritual, the one that has lotus flower and rice water in it. It is definitely going to brighten your skin. Sis, I'm not going to lie to you. It will brighten your skin. Hello, it will brighten, and that is what we're trying to achieve in 2025. Something that will brighten your skin. I keep on saying brighten is money. What does brighten means? Okay, all right, let's take a chill pee. Brightening means when you're using a particular product and you don't get darker, like you're trying to make sure that you have like a little bit of tone, like a tony look or a little fairness, but not fairness. Like you're not getting dark, you're just there. You're not getting darker, you're not getting lighter, you're just in between. That is when they say a product is brightened. It's not going to make you dark, it's not going to make you light. It's just going to be in the middle. That is what a product means to be brightened. Now note this, if you have dark skin, there is a possibility that you also have discoloration on your skin. Just because you're a dark skin person doesn't mean you don't have discoloration on your skin, or you don't have dark areas or dark spots. So you need product like this to help you treat those dark areas and those dark spots on your skin. Does that make sense? Good. So now I was talking about Dove, right? Now the Dove Glow Ritual that has lotus flower and rice water, these two ingredients, lotus flower, rice water, are ingredients that will definitely help to treat hyperpigmentation, help to brighten your skin, leaving your skin looking so good. Dove generally nourish the skin. Now Dove moisturizes the skin. This particular body wash would moisturize your skin. I have recommended it to a lot of people, and I know people that are using it. I have an ex-friend that uses Dove body wash, and this lady, she doesn't use lotion or cream after shower, because according to her, whenever she uses it, she gets that moisturizing effect. Like, she doesn't even need to worry herself about using body wash, body lotion. And I have used this particular glowing ritual Dove body wash before, and I can tell you categorically that when you're inside the shower, it feels like you are literally rubbing cream on your body. The smell smells creamy. It smells creamy. Like, it smells creamy. You all that are Dove fan that use Dove body wash, you know I'm not capping. Damola is saying the truth. So I love the fact that Dove body wash gives that fragrance of moisturizing. I don't know how to explain it, but it gives this moisturizing fragrance, if that makes sense, you know, and then it gives a moisturizing effect and it brightens the skin. Okay, so you can use it. Anybody can, any skin type, any skin color can use it. Next one on my list today, guys, is the Olay Retinol body wash. The Olay Retinol body wash. Now this particular body wash has retinol and vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is another name for niacinamide. Retinol itself is an anti-aging property. It helps to treat acne. It helps to treat hyperpigmentation. It helps to remove the appearances of stretch marks, appearances of dark spots. Retinol does a lot of things. That's why they say it a lot of times to try as much as possible to incorporate retinol in your routine. But because it has retinol, I would say that for someone that has sensitive skin type, you might have to do a patch test before you use it on your skin, right? It's very good, solid. It's a solid body wash. It's very effective, but please do a patch test. Niacinamide in it helps with irritation, helps to brighten the skin, helps to glow the skin, helps to hydrate the skin, helps to moisturize the skin, serves as a shock absorber to skin trauma. That is what niacinamide would do to the skin. So niacinamide is really good, and I feel like it complements retinol, but I still feel like you should still patch test this particular body wash before you use it. But it is proven to be good, tested and trusted products. It's actually a really good body wash. If you have not been using it, try to incorporate it in your skincare routine, but please endeavor to patch test. All right, next one on my list today, guys, is the Olay Vitamin C body wash. Now this particular one is also really good. It has vitamin C and vitamin B3, which is a niacinamide I spoke about earlier. Vitamin C is an anti-aging property as well, but it's not as effective as retinol. Retinol is way stronger and a boss compared to vitamin C. Vitamin C is lenient. Vitamin C is still a baby. It's a child. Vitamin C is small, okay, but it's very good. It brightens the skin, you know. It helps to also serve as a moisturizing effect to the skin. It gives you that glowy effect. You know, this particular Olay is quite big. All the body washes I've mentioned so far are quite big. The only issue with Nivea body wash is that it has a runny consistency, and it's very, like, when I mean runny, it's extremely runny. It can finish like, you have to be very careful if you're someone that is trying to minimize crust. You have to be very careful with the way you use it, because if not, you can use it in 3 days and it's gone. You have to be very careful. So I know how to manage my thing. So yeah, they are all really good body washes. This Olay Vitamin C body wash is really good. It's very lenient, so you might not necessarily have to patch test before you can use it. Anybody can use it. Skin type can use it. It will give you the hydration to the fullest. It's very effective to brighten your skin. Now the last one on my list, which is not the least, is the Cosmo Glow White whitening body wash. I get it. I know we've been saying brightening, hyperpigmentation remover, blah 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 blah, But now I'm bringing up a whitening body wash. Guys, trust me. First of all, I love the fact that this particular body wash has a very nice fragrance. Secondly, I love the fact that it comes in a big bottle. All the body wash I've mentioned comes in a big bottle, like I said earlier. Now, this body wash does not whiten the skin. In fact, it doesn't lighten the skin. Okay, it has niacinamide and it has hyaluronic acid. You guys know, I'm a big fan of niacinamide because practically almost all my videos I'm always talking about niacinamide. I think at the point I was talking about alpha butane. So niacinamide, I feel like niacinamide is a necessity in the skincare routine. I feel like it's a necessity. It's really good. It's topping vitamin C. It's topping vitamin C. Though vitamin C is good, but I think niacinamide is topping vitamin C. So this product will not lighten you, but it will brighten your skin to the fullest. Clears dark spots, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, very luxurious feeling in the shower when you are using this particular body wash. I'm just here to tell you guys that you guys need to stay good with your skin in 2025. Like it's a goal. Stick with me on this channel, please. Don't branch. Stick with me on this channel, guys, because we have a lot to do. We have a lot to do this year. We're trying to get our skin looking so good, so nourished, so hydrated, so brightened, no discoloration, nothing like that, you know. So this particular body wash is going to do magical thing on your skin. You're gonna buy it and you come back and thank me later. If you think I'm not saying the truth, try it out and see. Or maybe you have a better option, you know, from the list I've mentioned so far compared to Cosmo Glow White. That's okay. And this is the point where I get to tell you guys that which of these body washes would you be using? Which of them will you be using? Let me know at the comment section. Which of them have you used before? Which of them would you never try again? You know, just tell me your experience basically, or tell me the one you're going to be buying at the comment section. All right, let me know at the comment. Come on guys, let's have some gisting time. All right, that is all I have for you guys for now. Many more ads to come. Do not forget to please subscribe to my channel, like my video, turn on post notification, and please share this video as much as possible. I love you guys. See ya. Bye bye.